Hello guys, welcome back to the video player app series. In this part we will add all the files into our fragment, that is file list fragment. So first of all we are going to create a new Java class, that is video adapter class, and here we will extend our RecyclerView adapter, and here we have to write the adapter class that we have created, name, and my view holder that we will create here. This will be our custom view holder. So press alt enter and enter. This will create the class, inner class, and we will have to extend this to the predefined view holder, and also we have to add super. Now we are going to create some variables, context, and also a list of our video files. And now I'm going to create a constructor of this video adapter class. So pressing alt insert, and this is the now constructor is created. And now to resolve this error we have to implement some methods by pressing alt enter, and all the three methods will be imported here. Now here we have to write video files dot size to return its all of the size of the video files array list. And now we will have to create an instance of view, and then we will initialize here view equals layout inflator dot from m context dot inflate, write this inflate, and then r dot layout dot video item that we have created in the previous video, and then here we have to pass parent actually, and then here false. And now we have to return new my view holder and pass this view, and then we need to show the file names and thumbnails for at the each video item in our recycler view. So we have to first connect this video items image views and text view for showing the thumbnails and file names respectively. So these IDs are given to it. Now we have to connect it here in my view holder. So we are going to create an instance of image view, thumbnail, and menu more, and also we are going to create an instance of text view for showing the file name, and for showing the file duration. And here we will initialize it using thumbnail equals item view dot find view by id r dot id dot the id that we have given to that image view, that is thumbnail. And now we are going to just copy and paste it for 3 more times, and also change the names, file name and r.id dot video file name, and also here video duration. And now we can call the holder dot to set the text into. First I'm going to set the text on file name. So set text video files dot get position dot get title. We will set the text that is file name by title. And now we have run the app, but we will not show any of the file name because we haven't called that adapter. So first of all we have to call the adapter in our video fragment, and for that we are going to first add RecyclerView here, fragment files RecyclerView, and also giving an id to it, files rv, and here in fragment folder also adding a RecyclerView, match parent and id, let's say folder rv. And now just closing these open files, and I'm going to files fragment here, and first create an instance of RecyclerView to connect the RecyclerView from the layout resource files, and going to just cut this, write a view. We will create an instance of view, and we will initialize by that code that we have already cut. And here we will initialize the RecyclerView using view.findView find view by id r.id dot files rv, that we have given the id to fragment files RecyclerView. And then here first we will check the condition, and before that we are going to create an adapter instance, that is video adapter instance. And now we will check the condition if video files import the static constant that we have created in our video adapter class. Video files dot size is greater than 0, and also before this we will check if it is not equal to null. And here inside this condition we will initialize our video adapter instance using new video adapter, and then we will pass the context, get context, and also the files, video files. And after creating the instance of this video adapter, we will set the adapter of this RecyclerView by video adapter, and also we will set the layout manager for this, so new linear layout manager, and we will pass the context, that is this, and this will be in vertical, RecyclerView vertical, and the third parameter will be false. Here we have to change this to get context. And now let's first run the app and see if it is working or not. So now you can see the app is launched successfully, and here in this fragment you can see all the video files here showing, but the file name is black and that is not visible correct, so we have to change the file name colors. And also we have to change the thumbnail. So first of all, going to the video items here, and just change this text view color from black to white. You can see this color, so change this to FFF. And also we have to change this color icon, so just change this fill color to as FFF to make it white, and also remove this code. And now let's run the app and see if it is working. And so now here you can see the file name is changed color, and now we have to implement the thumbnail of each of the items. So in our on bind view holder, first of all we have to add a dependency for glide, so search glide dependency, and here you can see these two lines of codes. Just copy this and paste it in our Gradle module app. You can see this second line, Gradle module app, and here we have to just paste it, and now sync now. And Now the Gradle build is successfully finished, and just go to our adapter, video adapter, and here in on bind view holder we have to get the thumbnail of each of the videos. So after this line we have to write glide, and just press alt enter. Dot with, here we have to pass the context, that is m context. Dot load, and here we have to load the image, that is thumbnail. So write new file and pass the path, video files dot get position dot get path dot into, and here we have to write holder dot thumbnail, that is where we want to show that thumbnail that we have loaded. And now let's run the app. And after successful installation you can see all the thumbnails is showing now. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.